Are the monkeys? Are the monkeys like owned? Why they so cute, mommy? Wants to go there for picture. What is blood coming out there? What is blood? It's a pimple.
Meron siyang pimple.
It's a pimple in the monkey.
Someone hurt them.
Who?
Meron lang sumunod sa kanya.
They're naughty.
May sumunod sa kanya.
Yeah.
No, they have human teeth. They're monkeys. Monkeys have human teeth. Monkeys have the same teeth that we have. Dirtier. Monkeys are together.
Yung ibang customer nga, pinapakain pa ng binibigyan nila ng saging. So, sila ganyan. Pero yung mga